In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all your Slack files using the Python automation method. If you need to clear out your Slack storage quickly, this approach is one of the fastest ways to do it. Since Slack does not provide a simple delete all button for files, doing this manually can take a very long time. With a small Python setup and Slack's official API, you can automate the process and remove the files you've uploaded across channels, private conversations, and direct messages. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Slack Developer App console. From there, create a new app and choose the option to build it from scratch. Give the app a simple name that helps you recognize its purpose. Then select the workspace where your files are stored and create the app. Once the app is created, go to the OAuth and permissions section in the left sidebar. This is where you assign the access your script will need. In the user token scopes area, add the permissions for reading files and writing files. These two scopes are important. One allows the script to locate your uploaded file history, and the other allows it to send delete commands. After adding those scopes, scroll back to the top of the page and install the app to your workspace. Approve the authorization prompt, then copy the generated user token. For security, treat this token like a password. Don't share it publicly and avoid pasting it anywhere unsafe. Next, open your terminal or command line window. You'll need to install Slack's official Python package before running the cleanup script. In the terminal, run the package installation command for the Slack SDK. This installs the dependency your Python script will use to communicate with Slack. As you move into the scripting stage, make sure your environment is set up correctly and that Python is available on your system. It's also a good idea to double check that the app was installed to the correct workspace because the token only works for the workspace you authorized. One important reminder before you continue. This process is intended to permanently remove your uploaded Slack files, so make sure you're ready to proceed before running the script. If there's anything you may need later, back it up first. That's the setup process for the automation method. Once the app permissions are in place, the token is authorized, and the Slack SDK is installed, you're ready for the actual purge workflow.